Good morning from Central Australia. It's Friday, the pastries day of the week. And we're here at the local train station. No trains running, but we are actually traveling abroad. We're traveling all the way to France because we're having an acclaimed. Let's check it out. So it's like fluffy pastry. There's some whipped cream here. Chocolate on the top. So nice, like very airy. And oh, might do a shout out to you people who have commented on my videos. Shout out goes to Tim in Ireland, Georgia in Australia, and Cosby in Sweden. Whew. Now go out and get yourself a piece of pastry. You deserve it!